All right, everybody, a very good afternoon to all of you. Can I please quickly have your videos?
Good afternoon, ma'am. Can you hear me, ma'am? Good afternoon.
Yes, yes. I request you all to keep yourself on mute unless asked to.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Vaishali ji.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
ma'am.
Yes, I guess we need to move forward. Good afternoon to everybody and warm wishes. Karina, Venus, Ishika, Anna, Pooja, need to quickly have your videos. इशिका, पूजा, करीना, प्लीज आप लोग अपना वीडियो ऑन कर लीजिए.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. All right, so welcome to the talent round one, ladies. I hope you guys are doing okay and safe at your home spaces. So, are we all ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Wonderful. I can see the excitement across the faces. So, I shall request the jury to come on board so that we can begin. Okay, by the time Anamika joins in, I'll be just letting out the basic rules. There she is. Hi, Anamika. All right, so we have three jury members for the day, three boss ladies indeed. First, of course, Kirti Chaudhary, our director, and then we have Sada Kapila, who is the director of SNA, the School of Talent Spotter, and the third one, of course, my lovely lady, Anamika Yadavanshi, the motivational speaker. So these three women will be judging you and giving you more inspiration to how to work on yourself. And basic rules will be same. Do not unmute yourself unless asked to. And after you exceed 90 seconds, I will have a timer here. So after you exceed 90 seconds, I will have to unfortunately interrupt you in between. So just be very conscious of that. So jury members, the moment I say this, because sometimes what happens is that the person gets really busy in displaying their talent. The moment I say this, which would mean that the time is over. So that would be one thing from my end. So please let me know if we are good to go because I would like to proceed. Okay, thank you so much. So I'll be announcing the sequence like 3 to 4 members, right, so that you know when your turn is coming up next. So please be very attentive. So we'll start with Ishika, Pallavi, Jasleen, and Paulimi. All right. So this would be the sequence initially. Also, in case anybody has any sort of emergency that they have to leave or they need to get their part done first, chat box is open. Please mention it there so that I can reshuffle and put your spot first. So let's get started. All the very, very best. And you all look lovely, and I'm sure you guys are going to do great. So first would be Ishika. Ishika, can we please have your video? Ishika Gupta, can you hear me? All right, I think there might be some glitch, so I will reallocate her to a later position. So let's start with Pallavi. Hi, Pallavi.
Hi, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, you're perfectly audible. Shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead.
Namaste, I am Pallavi Singh from the city of Nawab, Lucknow. After completing my hospitality, I chose my hobby as my career and I became cabin crew because I love traveling and apart from this, I love reading. I believe if you follow success, your dreams will follow you. I come from a society where raising a girl child is a big task, but my family has given me wings to fly. They are the biggest strength which I have. Pallavi means a new beginning. So I am here to create a change that a woman can create wonders and do anything if you support her. And I'm very excited to meet my fellow contestants. Thank you. That's all about me. Can I show my
Yeah, please go ahead. Okay, I guess her video got stuck, and so we can wait for a minute and then. Pallavi, are we ready? You just have 30 seconds. मैंने वो pause कर दिया था when your video got stuck. अपने आप को unmute कर लीजिए.
audible, ma'am?
Yeah, perfect. Please start. Thank you so much, Pallavi. That was great. So moving ahead. Also, this is for everybody. You do not need to ask or seek permission for showcasing your talent. You have 90 seconds and you have complete freedom to do whatever you want to. So उसके लिए किसी का permission की जरूरत नहीं है, ठीक है? So we'll move forward, and next would be Jasleen. Hi, Jasleen.
Hello, ma'am.
Are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, go ahead.
With a tiny bag full of dreams, I went to school. But do all of us get that tiny bag or are just fooled? Ouch. Then came my period. जोर से नहीं बोलते, धीरे बोलते हैं. My menstrual cycle. I didn't know whom to talk to, and luckily I had my mother. But do all the girls out there have someone to share their struggle? Someday, my father will dream of me as a bride. But this dowry system, compromises, domestic violences is what consumed him from inside. Nourishing a soul is what I can do. But what if it's a girl? Will she be raised equally or up to? I think I have so many roles to play. And I think God made us with some different clay because I'm not my father's son. I am his daughter. And issues that we have surely make mine hotter. Issues, as you can say, is a way of life, be it a daughter, a mother, a sister, or someone's wife. There are so many areas to work upon, to guide, and to educate. And you know where my powers lie? It's that I am a woman and I have the power to change and create. Sat Shri Akal, I am here to embrace all of our lifetime roles. I am Jasleen Kaurandhava, gonna use this platform to stitch some society's loopholes. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Jasleen. Thank you. Jury members, shall I move forward? Thank you. So next would be Polemy, and before Polemy starts, I will be announcing the sequence. It would be Kirti, Pooja, Anna, Sumedha. All right. So Polemy, can we hear something from you?
Good afternoon, ma'am. Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, you are audible. Shall we start?
Thank you, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. A very good afternoon, everyone. So following this COVID pandemic, I hope that everyone in our family is doing well. So I would like to start with this line by this world-renowned actress, Priyanka Chopra, which says that the only thing that you need to wear well is your confidence. I find this line as very inspiring, and that's why I have decided to share this today on this platform to boost up the energy. So I'm Polemy Roy, and I have completed my master's in biotechnology from Motilal Nehru National Institute of Technology. Apart from this, I'm a young emerging author. I have published my own book, Wings to the Book also. So this is my book. The book is all about the journey of transformation of a broken heart into a powerful soul. So writing has been always my passion and my way of searching peace and happiness. Apart from this, I love paintings to convey a strong message to the society. So I can show you some of my paintings. So here are the paintings. I can show this. This is a bird and the animals, which shows our correlations, that is the bonding between humans and animals, and our that is dedications and our responsibility towards them. And so here's another painting which says there is a girl who's beautifully flaunting her dress. That's a beautifully flaunting her imperfections. And this is one of my favorite, the tears. As I always say, that tears are the sign of our strength and not weakness. And there is this beautiful painting depicting Hindu mythology, which says about the Radha Krishnan. And yeah, sometimes I love making this kind of So regarding my goal, I would say that I'm very glad to be a part of this Forever Miss India stage, and I'm looking forward to discover the best version of myself. I want to be a social activist, a philanthropist, and a social reformer. I want to fight against illiteracy.
Polemy, unfortunately, I'll have to stop you in between. Yeah, we just cross our timing. Thank you so much. So next would be Kirti.
Hello. I'm audible.
Yes,
Hello?
you are audible. Yeah, you're audible. Hi, can we start?
Thank you. Well, hello everyone. Yeah, sure. Hello everyone.
Okay.
Nice to meet you. As you know, I'm Kirti Jainwar, 19 years old, and I'm a student of occupational therapy. And about talent, I don't know, it counts as a talent, but for me, if someone give me a task, whether it's small, big, it doesn't matter to me. I will do perfectly, and I will do my best to do. So I think that it's my talent to do something perfectly, oddly arranged without any code. So I think that's it for me. And thank you for hearing me.
Thank you so much,
Hello?
Kirti. Thank you. Yes, you're audible. Polemy, Kirti, I request you guys to mute yourself. All right. Moving forward, next we have is Pooja. Okay, I guess she lost connection. I'll have to recheck that. So Anna, can we hear from you? Hi.
Hi, Namaste. I'm Anna Tyagi, 20 years of age, currently pursuing fashion designing from Aft University. And I like to read and write because it's my passion. And here, today I like to show you something like this is my poem, which I write in my free time. Maybe it's visible by Anna
It's
Tyagi.
visible, but,
Yeah,
but the text
I can cite it. So can I, ma'am?
Yes, please.
ओके तू हार मत मानना कठिनाइयों से हौसला रख बुलंदों का तू घबरा मत चुनौतियों से गिरकर भी प्रयास कर उठने का आज अंधेरा है तो क्या हुआ होगा कल जरूर उजाला भी तू जरा संघर्ष तो कर लेगा हासिल ऊंचाइयों को भी रास्ते भले ही कठिन हो तू धीरज रखकर चलता रह कर रही है मंजिल इंतजार तेरा, बस इसी राह तू चलता रह। मायूसियों को तू दूर हटा, एक नई मुस्कान ला, जो लोग ढूंढते रहे खामियां तेरी, उन खामियों को तू अपनी खूबी बना। विश्वास रख तू खुद में, ना सोच जग की बातों का, तो लड़ जा अपनी भी किस्मतों से और नाम कर अपनी मिट्टी का। थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you so much, Anna. So the next would be Sumedha, and post Sumedha, the sequence goes Venus, Karina, Lopa Mudra, and Vidhi. Sumedha, can we please hear from you?
She believed she could, and so she did, as said by a famous writer, R.S. Gray, which talks about a woman who believed in her inner potentials, and hence she did it. Namaste. I'm Sumedha from Kolkata, and I'm going to showcase my talent. कुछ पाकर खोना है, कुछ खोकर पाना है, जीवन का मतलब तो आना और जाना है। दो पल की जीवन में एक उम्र चुरानी है। जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है। एक प्यार का नगमा है, मौजों की रुबानी है। जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है।